refreshing the balance, and there we go guys. The tokens have landed and you can see the huge USDT balance right on the screen. Hey, what's up guys? In today's video I'm gonna show you a super simple way to generate Flash USDT on TRC20 network directly from your phone, literally in just 2 clicks. You'll be able to display a huge amount of non-real USDT inside your Trust wallet in seconds. Now, quick disclaimer before we start. These are non-real USDT. The tokens can only be transferred one time, and they automatically disappear from your wallet after 72 hours. This is strictly for fun, testing or entertainment, maybe to prank a friend or flex your balance for a screenshot. Don't try to cash this out or convert it into the real money. This video is for educational and entertainment purposes only. Alright, let's jump in. As you can see right now, I've got 100 TRX in my wallet and 0 USDT. First thing, we need to copy the USDT tokens address on the TRON network. Next, we head over to TRC20 tokenflash.com website. I'll leave the link pinned in the comments so you can find it easily. This service lets you instantly create Flash USDT tokens. Everything is handled automatically on the blockchain side, so you don't need a computer, scripts, or any complicated setups. Let's quickly go over what this service claims. It supports all TRON network wallets. It is non-custodial, meaning it never touches your funds. And there is no verification or KYC required. Unlike some other methods, these Flash tokens can actually be sent once. The system automatically adds the required code to the recipient's wallet during the transfer. According to the platform, tokens appear within seconds after generation. You can choose different amounts like 1,000, 5,000, 10,000, 50,000, or even 100,000 USDT. To generate them, you will need a small amount of TRX to cover the network and generation fees. Alright, let's do it. I'm selecting 100,000 USDT. Paste the USDT address we copied earlier and click Generate Flash USDT. A wallet connection window pops up. Choose Trust Wallet. Now switching over to your wallet and you will see the connection request. You'll also notice the service is verified inside Trust Wallet, so go ahead and tap Connect. After connecting, head back to your browser manually and give it a moment. Then return to your wallet again to approve the fee transaction. Double check the details, and if everything looks good, confirm it. Now go back to the website and wait for the generation to finish. Don't refresh the page. And boom, generation successful. Let's check Trust Wallet now. Refreshing the balance, and there we go guys. The tokens have landed and you can see the huge USDT balance right on the screen. Just remember, these tokens can only be transferred once, only between Trust Wallets and only within 72 hours before they disappear completely. That's it for this video. If this helped you out, drop a like and I'll see you in the next one.